Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great week. In this video, I wanted to talk about the realistic watercolor lettering kit that I purchased from Simply Allison on Creative Market. The watercolor lettering kit cost me $21 for the personal license, and it comes with 21 watercolor brushes, a newly updated watercolor canvas, and it's now newly updated with 11 bonus brushes. Allison and I have followed each other on Instagram for years now, and when she first shared videos of her using her watercolor lettering kit, I knew I had to purchase it. I love it so much, and that's why I want to share it with you guys. And as you can see, I did purchase this with my own money, but I am a Creative Market affiliate. If you purchase this lettering kit using the link down below, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help me keep creating these videos for you. Okay, I think I've talked enough, so let's just go ahead and get into the swatching. Okay, so I am going to be swatching these on my 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and I'm using an Apple Pencil with just a silicone cover on it. That's from Amazon, and I can link that in the description box as well if you guys are interested. I am using the same color, that teal color you can just barely see in the right-hand corner of my iPad, so that will give you a feel for kind of the different depth that's within each of these brushes. I have seriously never seen watercolor lettering brushes with this type of kind of automatic, beautiful texture. The grid I'm using, I actually just created in Canva, just so that way all of the names of the brushes would be there and it would kind of be easier for us to be able to look at them. I then exported it as a PNG and just placed it on top of the watercolor lettering kit canvas that comes with her kit. Here is a good exception because I'm actually using that classic textured letter WC brush to show you the Smudge Brush 1. And I will do the same thing with the Smudge Brush 2 here in just a moment. I think that's enough of me talking though, so I'm going to throw on some music to finish some of these swatches. I have labeled it here in the chart, but you can see that these are actually the bonus brushes that now come with this kit. All of the brushes that you are going to get in this lettering kit, and just look at that texture. I wanted to try and film some close-ups for you guys so you would be able to see just how amazing it looks. Video, I'm going to show you how I used only 2 brushes from this kit to create this beautiful and flawlessly blended watercolor lettering. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss that video. Until next time, stay bossy, y'all.